Upside down orange cake. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Place 3 eggs in a large bowl. Add 210 grams of sugar. Whisk until light and fluffy. Now add 120 ml of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, zest 1 whole orange, squeeze the juice of 2 medium oranges. Two oranges made around 150 ml of juice. Now pour this into your mixture. Sieve 370 grams of flour and 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk until the ingredients are well incorporated. A 23cm cake tin, place a baking sheet at the bottom and grease with butter. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar. Slice 2 oranges and place into the cake tin. Pour the batter over the sliced oranges. In a preheated oven at 180 degrees, bake the cake for 40 minutes. Allow the cake to cool down for 5 minutes before removing from the tin. Now dust the cake with icing sugar. Upside down orange cake with 100% orange flavour. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.